TFV basically means you and me, and they're groups which are run through the Welsh language, but we do a lot of bilingualism. Everything's repeated in the English language.
Right. Le mae'r bys ti? Where's your finger?
So TFV is what you call your mother and toddler, parent and toddler groups, but of course we are sort of the first steps into the Welsh language.
In TFV, the parents come along, introduce themselves, have a little chat to each other. The children then have free play. They get encouraged to do an activity or even making something, especially on certain celebrations throughout the year. Then we do a circle time with families, then to do songs.
Lots of the parents learn Welsh words through these activities.
So I've got 3 groups in Merthyr, and I feel as if I've introduced something new which haven't been here for a long time really, and I think I've started to spark up a new energy.
I run TFVs in Newport, Torfaen and Caerphilly. So no matter what walks of life you come from, the actual getting together, socialising, and fundamentally they do like to hear the Welsh language through song.
Currently run them in Bridgend and in Maesteg. We have a variety of families who do attend, which previously might have attended and thought, oh, I'm not sure about the Welsh language, but since attending, the stigma's gone of the Welsh language being a scary thing.
I haven't had the chance to speak Welsh since I left school myself when I was 16. For me, it's been really good to develop my skills again, and I've noticed the difference in my own Welsh speaking.
We want Blake to speak Welsh, basically for better opportunities in life.
I would like her to speak Welsh. The more languages you speak, the more advantage you have. That's what I believe.
You don't need Welsh to come. It's just easy to communicate with everyone there. There's no pressure to know the language. You just turn up and have fun.